so welcome back to yet another exciting video from Dev. Today's video is on how to deep condition your hair using Vitale olive oil hair mayonnaise. I have previously done the review of this product, but I decided to show you step-by-step process of how I deep condition my hair. My hair at this moment is 1 month post relaxer, so let's get started. First, I go in for a comb, then proceed to shampoo and condition my hair using the Tresemme product. Check out the description box for link to my review of the Tresemme product. After shampoo and conditioning, I'm using a t-shirt to dry my hair for a little bit, then I proceed to my Vitale olive oil hair mayonnaise to start the deep conditioning process. To start off my process, I'll be using this clip, three of the clips. I'll be using the big comb and then a small comb. The small comb is just so I can use the end of the comb for patterning and sectioning my hair. But yeah, these are the things that I use. Then also I got rubber band also because you actually need that. So let's get started. So I start off by sectioning my hair into 2 equal parts, and yeah, this is just me sectioning from the middle at the front, and just sectioning it all the way back to the end. And I section it into two big sections, comb it, and then wrap one with my hair clip. After wrapping, then the second section that I comb it also, then I section it again into another 2 equal parts. So that means I'll be having a quarter of my hair, I'll be having 2 quarters of my hair at one side. So that is what we are trying to achieve here. And this is me just sectioning the hair again. In a quarter of the hair that we have sectioned, I go in and start applying the product onto my hair. Apply it as gently as possible. I use my hand to like separate my hair, and in little section, but this time around using my hand to separate to create smaller section in the quarter and applying the product into my hair. I'm starting from the roots and gradually proceeding to the ends. I apply it just as I would apply my relaxer to my hair, starting from the roots, using applying my deep conditioning product from the roots to the ends. And I do this just so that every part of the hair is fully covered. And once you start applying from the roots, there's some product that might want to fall off, or your hand will eat it, and definitely to touch it will come and touch the body. And then even if it doesn't touch the body, at the end of the day, I can then proceed to use my hand to massage the remaining product or add more product and rub it down through to the ends of my hair. So you want every strand of your hair to get it right from the roots to the ends. Cover it up, like let every part of your hair get this product, rub it in. After I'm satisfied that the product has gone throughout my hair, then I wrap it in like manner and then proceed to another section of my hair. I do this to the next section of my hair and keep repeating the same process through until all my hair is now covered with the product, going from section to section, from one angle, from one side to the other, and just making sure that this product is well rested into my hair, well saturated into my hair. And yeah, this might take time, but you want to keep doing it. You don't want to forget any part from your roots to the ends. Make sure every part is covered with this, and then you go on. So watch me as I continue. Once I am done applying the product to all sections of my hair, I proceed to get a nylon and wrap my head with it. Now I wrap my hair in a way whereby there is no allowance for hair to go in or go out. So you want to wrap your hair very tightly. Then after doing that, I then proceed to my steaming cap. Yes, if you watch my previous review, you would have seen me unboxing this package. So I proceed to my steaming cap and I steam my hair for about an hour. You know, you could steam for how long you want, but I wanted mine to really rest well enough, so I decided to steam for an hour. Trust me, I was not just sitting down, I was doing other things too. And yeah, I was just catching up on YouTube stuff and all, but I steamed my hair for an hour. After an hour, I come back to take off the steaming cap and also gradually remove the nylon from my hair. By this time, you can see how my hair is all looking all steamed up with the products. This enabling that the products will be able to penetrate into my hair strand. And after doing that, you want to proceed to wash your hair. So yeah, I'm going to wash my hair and I'm back with still my t-shirt on my head. Yes. And after back with my t-shirt on my head, guys, it's time to dry up. You might ask me why am I using t-shirt and not towel, but yeah, I had a t-shirt, you know, it's good enough. It's so nice to use to dry up your hair, so it doesn't like soak up like products from your hair, or it doesn't, you know, dry out your hair easily. So that's what we want, because now I've just deep condition. We don't want all that nutrients to go up all at once with all of this long process. So yes, so after that I get my hair dryer and it's time to dry my hair. Yes, I'm going to use hair dryer. I know people say, oh, it is not good for your hair and all that, but guys, I use it and I really don't have issues with it on my hair, so I use it for my hair. I use it, so I dry off my hair. Plus, carrying wet hair up and down, it's not my vibe. We are not about to start doing it during lockdown in our house, so we are going to dry up our hair. So this is me just drying up my hair. Just before my hair is fully dry, I go in with my Mega Growth Reflective Leave-In Conditioner. Yes, you guys, you've had me talk about this product so much. I really love the leave-in conditioner. So I go in to rub it into my hair strands, and this is just, you know what leave-in conditioner does to your hair, so you got to use it. After that, I also go in by rubbing my hair cream, and I use Soulmate in this video. I use Soulmate and I rub it into my hair cream. Guys, we need to you need to moisturize your hair. That's why I'm using both leave-in conditioner and hair cream. I just wanted more moisture and, you know, to my hair, because I was going to make my hair the next day. I just needed the moisture to be into that hair. I wanted it, so I went in with my hair cream also to rub it into my hair. Yeah guy. And then I continue drying off my hair, you know, just so that, you know, everything is not just, like I said, I don't like too much moist and wet hair, so I just went in again to dry it all. I could have left it at this point, but I went in again with my hair dryer to dry it more. Process and all the combing process, I then proceed to style up my hair. So at this point, you know, for you could braid. It could be just time for you to braid or just do your hair into, you know, maybe it's just to do some cornrow to it. But for me, when I was doing this doing deep conditioning my hair, I didn't have time enough to be able to make my hair that same day. So I was like, you know what, my hair is gonna breathe, it's gonna rest. I'm just gonna make my hair the following day. The following day, I made my hair the following day. So I just didn't have time to do that. So I decided, okay, instead of my hair dangling, I'm just gonna pack it up. So I decided to give myself a little cute style up. Just packing my hair into a ponytail and just leaving it up there. Guys, tell me, is this cute? Anyways, that's it, guys. That's how I deep condition my hair. If you found this video very helpful, please tell me in the comment section. Like this video and share this video with loved ones. Also subscribe to my channel for more enjoyable content. Thank you for watching. To my next video, stay blessed.